So guys, for the first method, you want to disable your antivirus software. Now once you disable your antivirus software, you want to try to download the application, and then you want to enable it again. I'm not going to show you how to do that because there's many antivirus software programs that are out there, and I can't show you all of them. So just figure out how to do it on your own software, turn it off, try to download your application, and then turn it back on again. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Internet Options. Click on it. Now once you're on this under browsing history, you want to click on Settings. Now where it says current location, you want to make sure that's being saved to your main hard drive. So for me it's my C drive, which is my main hard drive. If you want to check if the letter that comes up here is your main hard drive, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Then you want to click on this PC, and then the drive with the Windows logo on it is your main hard drive. So for me it says C, and it says for me right here C as well. So I know this is correct. If it's not correct for you, you want to click on Remove Folder, and then you want to select the location of your main hard drive. I would also suggest putting it in your downloads. Another way is to head over to your web browser settings. So it's going to be different for every web browser, but if you're using Brave, you could scroll down and then click on downloads, and then you could choose where you want to save your downloads.